Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you cell reference in MS Excel. This is very important and tricky concept. So you have to make this concept understand. First of all, what is cell reference? As you can see, if we have this type of format where we have to calculate something, I will give you example later. First, we'll have to understand what is cell reference. When a cell address is used in a formula, it is known as cell reference. For example, A1, where A refers to the name of the column and 1 refers to the name of the row. You can use these different type of cell or range of reference. Example, we have two type of cell reference, relative and absolute. What is relative reference? When we write a formula, the reference to a cell or range is usually based on the location comparative to the cell. When we copy the formula, MS Excel automatically changes the cell reference in relation to the position where we paste the formula. I will explain you by giving an example. Here we have to relative cell reference example. Consider this example where we have the months, number of soft toys bought, cost price of soft toys. So in order to calculate the cost price of these toys, we have to write the formula equal in bracket 200 into B2. 200 into B2 in the cell C2. C1, C2, this cell, in this cell you have to write this formula 200 into B2. Then you can see we have written 200 into B2 in cell C2. Then we have to press the enter key. We will copy the formula and then we will paste the formula by pressing Ctrl C. You know the shortcut of copy is Ctrl C. So then in cell C3 we have written the formula in C2. In cell C3 we will press Ctrl V. Ctrl V is the shortcut key to paste anything. Then we will find out that we have just paste the formula, but we are getting the result. This is absolute cell reference, means same formula you can use in different cells, only the reference of the cell will change. Means this will become for B2, this will become for B3, this will become for B4. So this is cell reference. When you paste a single formula, same formula, to multiple cells, then it will change its address according to the cell. That is called relative cell reference. Now we have absolute cell reference, when the formula will not change, when it is permanent or absolute and does not change on copying the formula. This is called absolute cell reference. To write absolute cell reference, we need to add $2 sign, $1 before the column letter and 1 before the row letter. For example, D2, we can write $D $2, $D $2. How we will calculate? For example, we have this list: month, number of toys bought, cost price. We have to calculate GST. Then we have to type GST in cell C11 and type. You can see this is GST in cell 11 and type 12% in D11. Then we will write the formula $D $11 into C2 in the cell D2 and press enter key. We will write the formula here only. We will select the first column, that is 40,000, and then we will copy and paste the formula in cell D3, next cell. We have calculated this. For first cell we have calculated the GST. For next cell we will copy the formula and we will see the formula bar that the formula become $D $11 into C3, means the cell address is changed now, which means that only the relative part of the reference changes while absolute part remain the same. This part is same and this part has changed. Now we have the third type of reference, which is mixed reference. What is mixed reference? When a reference contain both the absolute and relative reference, then it is called mixed reference. To create a mixed cell reference, we have to add single dollar sign either before the column letter or before the row number. For example, if we will write the formula equals to $D11 into C2 in cell D2, then we have to copy it in cell D3, and then the formula will become $D11 into C3. In this case, we are using both absolute reference and relative reference. So I hope you will understand absolute and relative cell reference in detail. For any doubts and queries, please comment me in the comment box. Thank you.